I finally sold my Sony camera. I bought myself a Leica camera, Leica CL, today from a semi store in Los Angeles. I traded in my Sony 3 lenses and a Sony Alpha R7 body, which was kind of really cheap, unfortunately, but what you can do, you know. Anyway, I got what I always wanted, because I really need a good quality of my pictures. I got like, that's been like my big dream of my life. Let's open it up and see. So there's this one. So here's the body of Leica CL. When you break a seal of Leica, it's a 15% charge of restocking fee. So these cameras cannot be just returned to anything else. Oh my god, and this is the telephoto lens that I got. Apro Viro Elmar 55 to 135 millimeter. Incredible lens. I love my telephoto photography, but I never can get with the Sony quality that I always wanted. So here's a very simple set, Leica CL, body and lens. Lens is a German design, but it's made in Japan. And body is a German design. And it's made in Germany. Which is perfect. We like everything German. That's an important moment. So just to continue, the full total price was the Leica camera, sorry, body cost me $2,795, and lens cost me $1,895 plus tax. It all came to $5,135, and it all went minus my trade-in, which was great actually. Well, I mean, it wasn't that great, but you know, it helped a lot to save money. But it's a big investment to my work, so that's how it's supposed to be. My Sony camera made so much money for me, so I hope my Leica camera will do the same. Ooh. Oh wow, interesting box design. Huh. Fancy. Wow. This is super cool actually. Never seen box like this before. Well, like the guy at the store says today, his name is Ricky. He says, well, it's a prestigious ownership of Leica camera. He said, well, I hope you do the great stuff. Yeah, oh, that's how beautiful it is. Oh Oh. So this is the box. I guess that's the body. And it has these magnetic things here. Wow, how amazing everything is made here. Oh, basically, so it's just like reminds me of the jewelry box. So camera on top, right? So we just open it here. There's the camera. There's a Leica red dot right here. And I guess that's all the cables and everything else. Ooh, so nice. Wow, that's manual. Oh, it's nice that they give you free 3 months membership. The Photoshop and Lightroom, well, which is I have. But still, it's really nice though. Like for the software explanations. Very nice, very nice. Same in German. Digital camera. Wow, this product has been packed by a signature of the person. And it says this product was meticulously examined by experienced professional at several stages of production. And here's his signature as well. That's incredible. Dealing with all the high-end things, it's always such a different experience from everything else. Lovely. Here's a quick start guide in English. And German. I will keep it here in German version. Put all this back here. Oh, it's a warranty card. Okay, that's important. I have to register that after. Okay, this goes back here. Oh, that's very sweet. So that's how they pack cables. It's a strap, a little charger, and a battery. Oh my god, everything is in separate cables. That's just gorgeous. Oh guys, you're just impressing me so much. It's incredible. And I know that you also take great pictures. That's the most important part of it whole thing. Let's see the body. So I got the silver version. Ooh, so beautiful. Look at that. That's when I know all those hours that I work, days and nights. If I work, I know where it goes. It's so light, and it's a steel at the same time. Oh my god. This is beauty. Simple. made in Germany. This is all you need to take amazing pictures. This is all you need from the camera. The rest is comes from the person, from the person's mind. Here's a PC processor. Yes, I had a full frame camera. This time I went APS-C because I made lots of decisions. I don't want to carry heavy cameras anymore, and it should be just enough for what I need. And this camera is amazing. Got tested so many times, this camera. Here's beautiful Leica body. Fascinating. Now we go to the lens. Oh, this is the lens. It's a very impressive zoom lens. At this point of time, I just got only zoom lens because that's all I need right now. I'll get wider lens later, but for now, this is all I need to start. It's because it's very expensive, and the zoom lens is just amazing. It's actually only zoom lens that Leica makes, like in that range. Okay, here's some information. This is a nice little bag for lens, which is real sweet. What is amazing about Leica is simplicity and minimalism. Comparing to all the Japanese cameras. So this is the lens hood. Ooh, nice and big. It's a big one. Really nice bag. And there's the lens. Oh, it's really quite tight. Hello, beautiful, come up. Oh, everything is brand new. It's incredible. Such a great feeling always. For 55 to 135, it's not a large lens and it's really light. Like a camera, Wetzlar, Germany, made in Japan. So the tension requires camera firmware 1.2 or higher. It kind of reminds me of my Sony lens though, but quality of it is totally different. That's a beauty. Just how smooth it opens. So it's Leica lens, APO Viral Mar TL 3.5 to 4.5. I think it goes up to 16 or 22 actually. f-stops, and the lens itself is 55 to 135. So let's just put it on my Leica. They said match the red dot. It clicks and it's ready to go. I'm very happy. That's it. Oh my god, it's so much lighter. It's so easy to handle. Just this zoom lens camera, Leica, just in one hand like this. It's just incredible. Just want to forget all those heavy cameras that I had before, Nikon, Sony. Oh my god. Oh my god, just speechless. Such a beauty. And today was October 21st, 2019. Santa Monica, California.